starting, and then once I shift into neutral, that's when it gets bad. Like that. You guys hear that? Oh my gosh. So now we're gonna come up here. I'm gonna take a left. And I can still feel it on my gas pedal, which scares me because you're not supposed to be able to feel stuff on your gas pedal that isn't something that has to do with your brakes. But then I also think it's something in my back, maybe my CV, maybe my drive shaft, maybe my differential in the back. I have absolutely no idea. So I'm at such a loss right now. I just don't know what's happening with my car. You guys can hear that. I'm literally coasting down a hill right now. If you guys can hear any of that, those clicking sounds that kind of sound like a CV joint clicking when it turns, those are what scares me, because that tells me, hey, it might not be my tire, might not be this, might not be that, it